Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rajeshri Zavade, Assistant Professor, DG College of Commerce, Satara. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about intellectual property rights in India. Intellectual property rights are very essential rights recognized under the law. Intellectual property refers to the creation of the human mind like invention, literary and artistic works and symbols, names, images and design used in commerce. So if we look into this PPT, we'll understand that there is need to discuss on these points. Intellectual property rights divided into two categories: industrial property, which includes inventions, that is patent, trademarks, industrial designs and geographical indications of source, and copyright, which includes literary and artistic works such as novels, poems and plays, films, musical work, artistic works such as drawing, paintings, photographs and sculptures and architectural designs. So these rights related to copyright include those of performing artists in their performances, procedures of phonograms in their recordings, and those of broadcasters in their radio and television program. So intellectual property rights protect the interest of creators by giving them property rights over their creations. So here in introduction we'll see intellectual property rights are legal rights governing the use of creation of the human mind. In this, the recognition and protection of rights in a origin. These patents, designs and trademarks are considered as industrial property. So in this particular syllabus, we are going to discuss about patent, copyright, trademark and its protection, its licensing and etc. The most noticeable difference between intellectual property and other form of property is that intellectual property is intangible, that is, it cannot be defined or identified by its own physical parameters. It must be expressed in some way to be protectable. Generally, there are four separate and distinct types of intangible property. 1. Patent. Second is trademarks. Third is copyright. And then trade secrets, which collectively are referred to as intellectual property. However, the scope and definition of intellectual property is constantly evolving with the inclusion of new forms under the intellectual property. In recent times, geographical indications, protection of plant varieties, protection for semiconductors and integrated circuits and undisclosed information have been brought under the umbrella of intellectual property. So here we can see intellectual property rights. There are trademarks, copyright, then patents, industrial designs and trademarks. So intellectual property here: design, patent, invention, authorship, law, copyright, protection and brand. So national and international perspectives of IPR, that is intellectual property rights, that also we are going to study. So the concept of intellectual property is not new. At Renaissance, northern Italy is thought to be the cradle of the intellectual property system. Here, copyright and related rights, according to TRIPS, the intellectual property rights are copyright and related rights, rights of artists, painters, musicians, sculptors, photographers, and authors for copyright in their works. Then rights of computer programs, whether in source or object code, for a copyright in their programs and compilation data. So rights of traders in their trademarks, rights of performance producers of phonograms and broadcasting organization, etc. Rights of manufacturers and producers on geographical indications, rights of designers for their distinctive design. So in this way, there are various types of intellectual property. So patent is also there, right of inventor for patent in his invention, then rights of plant breeders and farmers, rights of biological diversity, right of computer technologists for their layout design of integrated circuits, rights of businessmen for protection of their undisclosed information on technology and management. So all these will come under the definition of IPR. So here if we talk about copyright, patent, so their protection is there. All these are the product of our intellect, so its contents are essential. If the author is there, author have right, then these rights are recognized under the law. They may have their ownership. So all these intellect or the idea that is connected with the information or the knowledge, so that needs to be protected in today's era. So if we talk about copyright and related rights, the subject matter of copyright is a literary, dramatic and musical or artistic work, a cinematography film and a sound recording. Literary work includes computer program, tables and compilations including computer database. The object of this right is not the material thing produced but the form impressed upon it by the maker. The picture in the abstract sense of the artistic form made by visible by that paint and canvas belongs to him who made it. So whatever, if the person is making any creativity by using all the software or the apps on the internet or the computer, so his or her creativity will be that person's own right. That needs to be protected. In case of trademark is anything which identifies the origin of the goods or services. It can be name, a symbol, logo, color or sound, etc. Trademark symbolizes the value or goodwill associated with the goods and its specific source. It distinguishes one form from others. Benefits of trademarks are several. It helps consumers to identify the products with desirable attributes quickly. It encourages firms to improve quality of their product. In absence of any identification mark, it would be difficult to distinguish the duplicate from high quality products. So here all these things we need to understand. Trademark protection gives a monopoly power to the distinctive trademark in the sense that others are debarred from using the same or a confusingly similar trademark. However, this kind of monopoly power does not involve any welfare laws as its aim is not to prevent similar products but only to prevent use of similar or deceptive marks with the aim of confusing the consumer. So this is very important thing. In case of patent, the subject matter of a patent right is an invention. He whose skill or labor produces the idea of new process, instrument or manufacture has that idea as his own in law. He alone is entitled to use it and to draw from it the profit inherent in it. In case of geographical indications, this is a name or a sign used on certain products which corresponds to a specific geographical location or origin. that is town, region or country. In case of India, a member of the World Trade Organization WTO enacted the Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 has come into force with effect from 15 September 2003. So here geographical indications have been defined under Article 22 Clause 1 of the WTO Agreement on Trade Related Aspects on Intellectual Property Rights. So indications which identify a good as originating in the territory of a member or a region or a locality in that territory where a given quality, reputation or characteristics of the good is essentially attributable to its geographic origin. Industrial designs. Industrial design means only the features of shape, configuration, pattern, ornament or compositions of lines or colors applied to any article whether in two-dimensional or three-dimensional or both forms by any industrial process or means whether manual, mechanical or chemical, separate or combined, which in the finished article appeal to and are judged solely by the eye, but does not include any mode or principle of construction and does not include any trademark. Layout design of integrated circuit. In the case of layout design of integrated circuits, the property consists in the exclusive right to apply the layout design registered under statute in relation to the class of goods for which it is registered for a prescribed period. The right can also be licensed for use by third party or assigned to any person. So in this case, permission is very important. Protection of undisclosed information. In today's era, information is nowadays it's a property. Confidential information and know-how can be protected only so long as the owner is able to keep them secret and takes action against unlawful use of such information by an action for breach of confidence or contract. So if you see this slide, you will understand if we are talking about intellectual property rights, there are target, requirement for registration, how to obtain the protection. So protection is very important aspect of these rights. So patent, utility model, register design and trademarks, all these must be protected. The law relating to property and intellectual property has similarities regarding the nature, the mode of acquisition, the nature of rights conferred, the commercial exploitations of those rights, the enforcement of those rights, and the remedies available against the infringement of those rights. So here we can see that there are different laws which regulates these rights. So Trademark Act is there, Copyright Act is there, Patent law is there. So all these law prescribe the rights and the liabilities of the parties. If there is an infringement of right, party can go to the court and ask for the remedy. Property rights includes not all a person's right but only his corporeal property rights consisting of material things. But intellectual property is in the nature of intangible incorporeal property. The rights of intellectual property are created by statute. The invention may relate to a new product or an improvement of an existing product or a new process of manufacturing an existing or a new product. The acquisition of the monopoly of intellectual property, the conditions to be satisfied for acquisition, its duration, the licensing of this monopoly, rights or their assignments to others are strictly governed by the statute. So here these are the references. I have used legalservicesindia.com. Here we can find out this article and intellectual property rights in India. So I have referred intellectual property rights material and the books. So dear students, you can study the basic concept under this particular law. Thank you.